quite a few options available. Only the new Tata Tiago by Tata Motors came fully loaded with all the premium features at such an amazing price. For making us self-reliant India, we bought Tata Tiago Exec Plus to support the mission of Government of India, which is Atmanirbhar Bharat. I love my decision of buying the new Tiago by Tata Motors as it is made in India, and I'm a firm believer of going vocal for local. So now I ride my new Tiago with all the fun, knowing that it has all the world-class safety and features. Thank you Tata Motors for helping me become a proud citizen, and believe me, there's no better alternative out there.